Yeah? All right. So what's going on? You having a party? Yeah? You do? Well, I just got out of work and I was going to go have a couple of cold liquid beverages. And I was just thinking of, stop in and say hello. Surprise!
Surprise!
Haven't we got it, oi?
You believe this shit?
Were you surprised? Are you surprised? Now take the battery out, yeah.
How you doing?
He's like,
What are you doing here? I said, what the hell?
I just had a bunch of balls a little bit on the phone. I'm sorry.
Oh!
I didn't realize she was standing there.
oh, that's so funny. He like didn't even see you.
I saw. I think I did.
Oh, that's awesome. 1, 2, 3. Cool.
Video.
Really do I see him speechless? I mean, really, he's affected, I can tell.
Yeah, no, that was perfect.
We had to make sure you were in the house. We had to. He's flashing his lights when to call the house. And then I'm trying to talk, saying, okay, where's the house?
That's
What a rush.
funny.
This is,
Yes, we wanted to make sure we surprised you before everybody was here.
Were you completely surprised?
Yes.
Did you have any idea at all?
No.
Okay, so you've been kind of communicating secretly.
Yeah.
When's it going?
What's the date on that? I hope they're writing it down.
When's it going? Back and forth? This date, that date?
Yes.
Oh, no
Don't
kidding.
see it. Don't take it out. Oh, that's
So what are you
awesome.
saying?